Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Pink color, yellow color, green color, red color, blue color, gray color. A for apple. B for bells. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for ham. I for Iceland. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for onion. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Blue sky color, yellow color, red color, dark pink color, gray color, green color, purple color, brown color. First shape, heart. Pink color, heart is pink color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. Green color, triangle is green color. Next shape, circle. Brown color, circle is brown color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corner. Yellow color. Square is yellow color. Next shape, circle. Purple color. Circle is purple color. Next shape, heart. Red color. Heart is red color. Next shape, triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle is 3 corner. blue color. Triangle is blue color. Next shape, square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square is 4 corners. Gray color. Square is gray color. Heart, triangle, circle, square, circle, heart, triangle, square. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.